How's it, Aloha gang? Welcome back to High Now Daily. We're back here live at Bishop Museum on this St. Patrick's Day, celebrating the brand new exhibit that is here, Aloha Bricks 26. This is Bretta Kapalikū. It's been so awesome sharing this time with you, man, and seeing how much fun Ohana are having at this brand new exhibit. And where we're at right now, I mean, this is where all the magic is happening.
That's right.
It's the playroom.
That's right. So this area in the back half of the gallery is one where we've got two major things going on. First and foremost, we've got these awesome wall murals that were created by middle schools here in the state of Hawaii. And we don't just have representation from Oahu schools, we also got schools from Kauai, from Maui County, from Hawaii Island. Iao is another one.
And schools were creating these murals for the exhibit,
Exactly.
Correct?
So the museum reached out to different schools, different teachers, and asked, hey, would you be willing to do a mural if we give you the materials and you guys put it together? So you can not only see the schools' logos represented, you can also see the build teams. So some of the schools, a very small core group, other schools, all the kids were participating. So it's really cool. And the neat thing is these will be going back to the schools once the exhibit is done.
Oh, nice. So then the schools can go ahead and hold on to them. And these are going to be great timeless pieces for the exhibit. So now, as you mentioned, how many schools total?
We've got about 50 schools represented here in the murals. About 50 or so middle and intermediate schools represented here. Of course, some of them go up to high school level. My alma mater, Kamehameha Schools, is in here, but we don't need to pay too much attention to them right now.
I mean, you can make that one maybe.
Yeah. But we've got lots of schools, and also speaking as an educator here at the museum, it's really cool to see schools that are represented here in the murals that we see during their field trip. So when those students are going to have a chance to come back, we're going to point them in the direction of this exhibit so they can see, take pictures, feel pride, but also feel represented in this special space. And again, it's all about Hawaii represented in bricks.
Absolutely, and we do know as well, spending time with the Ohana is what we love to do here in Hawaii. And with this specific exhibit, I mean, all the Ohana are enjoying over here. Yes, shakas, waves, yeah. And people are making some really cool stuff over here in the break room. So what are families encouraged to do?
Yeah, so in this open play area, we have these amazing tables set up. And this is pretty unique for folks who remember the last bricks exhibit that we had. We did have an activity area. This one's been redesigned so that we have lots of space, lots of room, and we're encouraging free play with these bricks. So you can build high, you can build low. Lots of people are building structures. Some people are building objects. There's a lot of creativity. There's a lot of architectural elements here. And we've had folks that have been building for a couple of minutes, some folks that are building for hours and hours. But the neat thing is, because we're using this particular color, you can use your imagination to imagine exactly what the thing is, what shape it takes, what texture it takes, and you can just keep building and building and building, or you can take it all down and build something new. And that's one of the lovely things about using these bricks as a material. And there's no limit to the imagination when it comes to these things.
Yeah, that's very cool. And again, utilizing all of the building blocks that are over here, people are coming up with some really, really cool
pretty amazing things. And I will give a builder's tip. Whatever the base of your structure is should be wider than the top. So if you're planning to build with some bricks, make sure that you got a good foundation. But a lot of folks are adopting that pyramid style technique, and it's very, very structural. But I see some folks adopting another building technique right down here. I think we recognize these gentlemen.
Yes, we do. I haven't actually seen my kids since I got here to the exhibit. Auntie Jordan's been here hanging out, and this is where they've been actually the whole time. Inside the break room. What are you building right now?
Building this.
You're building this? What's the name of this?
This is Build the Dinosaur.
You're calling it Build the Dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. This is looking really good. Uncle was saying the best tip is to make a wide base and then kind of build up, and then that's how you end up with something like this?
Possibly something like that. Yeah. But there's no limit to your imagination when it comes to these bricks. And so we're really excited to see what our guests come up with, what kind of designs they create, and what kind of things they want to remix.
I know. We have so much fun over here. Okay, Kapalikū, tell everyone out there as well. You mentioned this is the kickoff for the exhibit.
That's right.
Okay, we're going to look at it right now here in a bit. But this is going to go until when, and how do people get more information?
So Aloha Bricks 26 is on until October 11th, 2026. And for more information and updates about exciting events and things that are going on here at the museum, including this exhibition, go to www.bishopmuseum.org and check out our main page for all the updates.
Okay, awesome. Hey, Kapalikū, mahalo nui for having us here. Again, this is super good fun for the whole Ohana. Aloha Bricks 26 kicking off right now. Come on down here to Bishop Museum. We're going to head to break. We got much more coming up on High Now in just a bit. All right, I'm ready. What are you making?